Let's see how to select paper size for printing a document in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, there are two ways that you can do this. First is by manually setting your paper size before printing. And to do that, head on over to the Layout tab, just like that, and look for Size to choose your paper size. And from here, you can choose from the different paper sizes that Microsoft Word has to offer. Now, go ahead and try to print our document. And right here, you will see a lot of different settings, including a setting to choose your paper size right here. And from here, whenever you click something, it will show on the preview right here at the side what your document will look like along with the changes to your document. And when you're done selecting your paper size, simply click on print to print your document. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.